This is a PCOS workout. Now, PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. And two things that can really help naturally are exercise as well as nutrition. And I'm going to help you with them both. And as a qualified female trainer that's been teaching for nearly 30 years, I really have a passion about women's health. So all the moves are standing, you don't need any equipment, and I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. And we're going to start with a quick little warm up. So if you're ready, let's get going. So just follow along while we do your warm-up. We're going to start with 10 of these side steps and just give me that little elbow bend so you're just stepping from one side to the other. So this is very light cardio just to simply warm up your body. Now hands in front. Now give me these hamstring curls. So you're just bending through the knee, drawing down the arms. So just mobilizing all your major joints. And now just reach across. So we're doing a little bit of a trunk rotation. So we're just warming up through your core and just go from one side to the other. And that's just going to prepare us for the workout ahead. So we're going to get started. But what we're going to do, I'm just going to quickly preview the first move. So just watch so you can become familiar with the first exercise. We're going to be doing these lateral hops from one side to the other. So we're taking that move nice and wide. So let's get ready. Come into position for me. And we're going to take it to the side, from one side to the other. Now you're going to be doing this for 45 seconds. You can see on the left that arrow represents 45 seconds. So let's just keep going. We've got no repeaters today. And you can also see your 7-minute workout countdown clock on the right. And these exercises are really going to help with PCOS. And the reason being, it's slightly like HIIT training. So we're doing 45 seconds where we're doing these exercises which are going to help reduce symptoms. Then you get 15 seconds where we have a little bit of light recovery. So let's just go from one side to the other, make that move nice and dynamic. We're doing that lateral side hop. All right, well done. So now you can just march it out, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. You can see the next move. We're going to do 2 of these power squats and you're just going to reach over to the side. Then you take it 2 power squats and then take it to the opposite side. So let's get ready and give me squat, come up, squat, and now step that foot out, reach your hand over. And keep that going. Deep, powerful squat and then travel that over. So just keep repeating. So the benefit here, we're going to get your heart rate up. We're also really then working on your lower body strength as well. And the benefit of this specific workout I've created for PCOS is that it's really going to help increase your metabolic health. So this is where it's really important. If you're wanting healthy weight loss, this is really going to help increase that. That's good. Keeping that going. Always make sure you keep those toes slightly lifted. So we're keeping those knees way behind the line of the toes as you go from one side to the other. All right, that's good. Okay, just march it out for me now. Deep breath in, deep breath out. So this next move is so powerful. You'll love this. This is going to be really amazing to really get your heart rate up. So really good hip move. And what we're going to do, you're going to take a side step and just imagine you're throwing something. Imagine you've got a big ball and you're going to throw it to the side. So something that we're focusing on in this workout is known as EPOC, excess post-oxygen consumption. So this 7-minute workout, what it's going to do, it's going to naturally raise your calorie burn for hours afterwards. And this is where this really helps with PCOS. This is why it's going to be really beneficial. So let's just keep going. Side step and push through with those arms. Keeping that going. And the second time you come back to do this workout, remember you can always mute me. You don't have to have me coaching you and you can just put on your favorite music. That's good. Keeping that going. Powerful move. And now well done. So now bring it back. This is your recovery. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. And you can see the next move. We're going to be going for doing 4 of these power punches directly up, then 4 power punches in front with a kick. So let's get ready. Punch those arms up and then kick in front. That's good. And keep alternating for each of these. And of course, the other thing that's really important, when we're looking at this condition is really focused on healthy eating, and it's about just having a well-balanced diet, cutting out processed foods, avoiding sugars, just go for healthy natural foods. And I've got loads of free recipes you can find on my website just to get some inspiration. Let's just keep going and just kick that leg in front. 4 of those power punches, punch those arms up, doing really well. Focus on keeping that upper body straight, keep those core tummy muscles engaged as well. All right, that's good. And last few punches. All right, just march out, deep breath in, deep breath out, and we'll just have a look at your next move coming up. So this one, we're going to be in a wide stance, and you're going to do opposite elbow to knee, alternating from one to the other. So we're going to take the arms up and now reach it across. So it's opposite elbow to the inside of the knee. Keep those core muscles tight, and by keeping the stance wider just means we're really working harder through those core muscles. And the benefit with all these moves, these are full body, so what they're doing is they're going to be targeting so many muscle groups, going to really help balance out through your hormones. It's going to really help with your metabolic health, your joint health. Good, keeping that going, and it's making you physically fit and strong. And remember the bigger picture, it's not about how we look, it's always about our health. Your health should be your number one priority. All right, that's good. Keep that going all the way to that timer bar reaches the top. And well done. All right, just march out, deep breath in, deep breath out. So remember, this is where you get your recovery back. So next move, you're going to be in a wide stance. You're going to step 1 foot back and take both arms directly above your head. So start with the feet slightly wider than hip width distance apart, step back, come up to the center, step back. So this one here, really powerful move, and what we're doing is we're activating muscle tissue through your lower body, so working lots of major muscle groups. We're also working through your arms and your upper body, keeping that nice and strong. And remember, it's always just about living that healthy lifestyle. It's loving who you are, drinking plenty of water, getting plenty of sleep, eating a healthy diet, and making exercise really a regular part of your routine, and you can do this workout safely. It's body weight. You could do this daily and just step that back. All right, well done. And just come back up and just march out, and then we're just going to have a look at your final move. Really lovely one here. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to do it where you take your knee up, then you step the foot back. So just get used to it. It takes a little bit of coordination. So we're going to get ready. So drive the knee up, step the foot back, drive the knee up, open the arms. That's good, keeping that going. And the more often you do this, you'll become familiar with these exercises, doing really well. That's good. And halfway through, we're going to change and take that to the opposite leg. But let's just keep on that one. Knee up, step that foot back, drive that knee up, keep those core muscles tight, change the leg, drive it up, step it back. And as a trainer, I've been teaching now for over 30 years. On my website, you can find lots of blogs, free challenges, and on my YouTube channel, I've got hundreds of workouts you can follow, because for PCOS, it's simply about moving your body, finding exercise you like. But this HIIT one is really good as it has that EPOC effect, excess post-oxygen consumption. Well done. Let's just march it out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. We've got to keep going till that timer reaches those 7 minutes. And let's just get that heart rate slowly back down. Just slow that pace down. And really well done for doing your workout. So well done. There is your high five. Now you've got 2 options. If you want to do a little bit more working out, perhaps you want to really strengthen and tone certain areas, I've got all my 5-minute playlists. You can click up here, choose any of them, or if you're finished for today, come and do a full cool down stretch with me, click up here. And then really well done for today, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.